Hi everyone, let's discuss about confidence interval. What do you mean by confidence interval? Confidence interval is a range of values within which the population parameter is expected to occur. So this is the range in between these parameters are expected to occur. So, first of all, let me discuss with you one of the important formula. The two confidence interval that are used extensively are 95% and 99%. The upper and lower limit for a confidence interval is given by through this formula. This is the x bar. X bar here is the mean value plus minus. Right. Plus sign it will reach to the upper limit. Minus sign we will reach to the lower limit. This is the z-score. S means standard deviation divided by under root n. N means sample size. So now first very important question let me discuss with you. The dean of the business school wants to estimate the mean number of hours worked per week by students. So, a sample of 49 students showed a mean of 24 hours with a standard deviation of 4 hours. Develop a 95% confidence interval for the population mean. So, what we have to do? At the 95% confidence interval, I can show you this is the table 95% confidence interval. This is the value. This is the Z score 1.960. If it is 99%, so 2.576, 0.98, that would be 2.3, 0.90, 1.645, 0.80, 1.2. But in our question statement, 95%. So at the 95%, what is the Z score value? That is 1.960. So let me continue this question. So mean value you can see here. Let me show you this is our mean value. That is our x bar. I'm just writing here x bar equal to that would be 24. 24. So I had put it here 1.95% confidence interval. What is the value of z score? That would be 1.96. So I have already incorporated here 1.9624. Then standard deviation, or we can call it, that is denoted by sigma. And that would be, here is given 4. Standard deviation is 4, right? That is 4. So I have put it here 4. And sample size means we are talking about n equal to, that would be 49. So this is 49, and when we have solved this, so plus minus values 1.12. 1.12 we will add in 24 and 1.12 we will subtract from 24. So these are confidence interval limits. You can see here 22.88 when we will add 24 plus 1.12 that will become 22.8, and 24 minus 1.12 that will become you can see here 25.12. One more example I just want to share with you. This is the one of the question. 30 students are randomly selected from a class. You have to estimate the average value of IQ level of students in the class. Determine the value at a confidence interval of 95%. So same is here. Sample size n is 30. Sample mean is given 69.77. And population standard deviation is 14.08. So what we have to do? Let's begin. Z score at the 95% confidence interval is 1.96. So same formula we are going to apply. This is the same formula, that is x bar plus minus z score s divided by under root n. So we will put all the values 69.77 plus minus 1.96 and 14.08 is our standard deviation divided by under root 30. And when we have to solve it, this value would be 5.038. So confidence interval would be 69.77. We have to add on 69.77 77, and here is we will add 5.038, right? So that will become 74.738. 738. You can see here that is our upper limit. Yes. And when we will deduct 69.77, 5.038, so what will happen? That would be your lower limit 64.66. So finally, what we can conclusion is with 95% confidence, we can say average in IQ level of students of the class is in between 64.66 to 74.738. So means at the 95% confidence level, we can say confidently average IQ level of the students of the class is in between 64.66 and 74.738. So I hope you can understand how we can calculate confidence interval at various percentage of confidence, and this formula we are going to apply x bar plus minus z s divided by under root n. So in that way, we can calculate confidence interval at various percentage level. Either it could be 95% and 99%. And definitely in the next video, I'm going to calculate all these values at the 99%. So I hope this video will be helpful. Stay tuned. Keep watching. Thank you.